Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to add a YouTube or Vimeo video, showcase a promo tutorial or testimonial, embedding a video in GoDaddy website builder is simple in 2026 as long as you use the right section and publish correctly. Most issues come from using the wrong link, placing the video in the wrong section, or not checking mobile. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to embed a video in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to open your log into your GoDaddy account. Okay, so after that, go to website. Find your website, okay, here, and click edit website. Okay, so after tapping there, you will find, or you will have a page like this. So you must be inside the editor to embed a video. So now you can embed a video on home page, about page, services page, blog post, landing page. So make sure the correct page is selected first. Okay, so now add a video section. Okay, so click add section. Okay, choose video, or video. You have to choose the video, so you have to be your account should be upgraded first to have these sections. Okay, so insert the video section into the page. This is the cleanest and the safest way to embed videos in GoDaddy. So after that, click the video placeholder, then paste the video URL, not the embed code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.